So what is the National Parks Classroom? It is a live educational program that teaches kids topics like earth science, animal ecology, and human history, all under the backdrop of America's national parks. So it's a way to reinforce these concepts in a way that really sticks. Instead of just reading about things like animal ecosystems or how the Grand Canyon was formed, students see it happen through live demonstrations and some very vivid storytelling. We talk about questions like, what happened when the wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone National Park? Or why are the lakes in Glacier National Park so deeply turquoise? And how is wildfire actually good for forest regrowth? The goal isn't just to teach them facts, it's to spark some real curiosity, to get them asking better questions, making connections, and seeing how these big ideas apply to their real world. We designed the program for elementary age learners, and it runs between 45 and 60 minutes. It includes hands-on visuals, many interactive moments, and take-home materials for continued learning. Ready to bring your students on an adventure? Visit our website to book your program today and discover how your kids can explore America's natural wonders.